We just got to the Magic Kingdom resort area. We just saw a monorail. Hey guys, we just got to the Grand Floridian. Our room's not ready yet, so we're gonna be going over to Magic Kingdom. We have Fast Pass for 9 today, which I'm so excited about. Oh my god, guys. How freaking gorgeous. Monorail red, here to pick us up to go to Magic Kingdom.
Please stand clear of the door. Por favor, manténganse alejados de las puertas.
Good morning, folks. Welcome aboard Monorail Red. Our next stop is the Magic Kingdom. Plaza. We're gonna go have some breakfast. Hopefully we make it to our reservation.
Because we've been moving and we've been shaping it. So now it's time. Now stop dancing.
Here at the Poly, we're getting some dough. I've got pineapple and onion. Text notification, we're heading to our room now. We got our refillable mugs. Thank you. We're home. I feel like a princess. Here's our view. Come out to the balcony. And They gave us theme park view. So sweet. We got the Polly over to our right. And the Contemporary right in front of us. Take a quick tour of the bathroom.
This is one thing a lot of resorts lack, is a hamper. So nice. The bathroom looks like.
I'm trying to figure out what the quickest way is. So gorgeous here. All the torches are lit.
There's no place I'd rather be than on a surfboard out at sea, lingering in the ocean blue. And if I had
Alright, we made it to
horizon, I wiki wiki my lohi lohi lao my iko papa hinalu, flying by on a Hawaiian roller coaster ride.
Over at the fire pit, we have our chicken, steak, and peely shrimp. And then for dessert, we have our bread pudding.
Shout out the Lost Bros Cody T, trying to catch a flight out to Hawaii, drinking coconuts all night. We're all trying to ride, so why don't you come on this Hawaiian roller coaster ride? There's no place I'd rather be than on a surfboard out at sea.
Ohana noodles, veggies, the sticky wings, and they're gonna come around with some steak and shrimp, as well as sweet and sour chicken. Ready to dig in. Ohana was delicious. It was amazing as always. We're about to hop on Monorail Red and go back to the hotel.
Hit up the door, it might be 3. Laying out on the pile.
We are now stopping at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, a Victorian-style hotel offering the modern conveniences of a full-service spa and health club. Ladies and gentlemen, please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely.
And they're gonna add this cute Beauty and the Beast themed bar and lounge. So they're refurbing up here on the second floor at the Grand. Food was absolutely delicious. We always end up finding our way back to Ohana. We managed to find last minute reservations and everything just seems to always work out, but it's so good. You gotta try the banana bread pudding. The Ohana noodles are great, as well as the dumplings are my favorite. The steak wasn't as good as it usually is today, nor the shrimp, but I loved it. Now we're gonna go back to the room and head over to Magic Kingdom. We took the stairs and now here we are at our room. Sun's just about setting. It's about 8:45. Gorgeous views of Bay Lake. All the way in the distance. This is Seven Seas Lagoon right here. I'm really hoping we're gonna make happily ever after. I'm out of breath because we're running to the monorail.
That's what friends are.
Want to go closer?
So our night's over at Magic Kingdom. My hair's a mess. We went on Space Mountain, Splash Mountain. It was a lot of fun.
2 hours later.
First, I didn't think they had a cup of dirt here at the Grand Floridian. We had it back in December. It was delicious. But they gave it to us, and not even that. They gave it to us for free.